Bucking Bull TV, bringing you the sport of bull riding and futurity action from across America. Coming this September, we take you to the nation's heartland for a stout four-class event, Midwest Bucking Bull Association action from Leon, Iowa.
I feel pretty blessed just to come up here to Ivan Stolfit's event here in Leon, Iowa. Last year he had the world champion 2-year-old Bucking Bull, and 3 of the top 10 bulls at the ABBI World Finals competed here.
See intense bulls from the central and northern plains and meet some great people. MBBA Bulls is on Bucking Bull TV. Watch it pay-per-view for a one-time fee during September and get your annual subscription now to enjoy our growing archives at buckingbulltv.com.